Collaborative learning helps students process new ideas alongside their peers. With Lumio, teachers can convert any page into a whole class whiteboard, allowing every student to participate at once. To create a whole class whiteboard, select the page you want to use, click the magic wand, and choose Whole Class Whiteboard. Rename the page as desired. Need to make changes? Click Edit Activity. Just remember, you'll need to reconvert the page to a whole class whiteboard when you're done editing. During live delivery, teachers can also use the magic wand to convert any page to a whole class whiteboard, or create a new blank one from the plus button for spontaneous brainstorming or gathering quick whole class responses. Students select Resume to begin working on the page. Editing tools will appear on the toolbar. They can add text, write with the pen, add stickers, shapes, images, links, audio, or equations. Use the Class Progress button to view updates in real time and to see who made each contribution. The Everyone Can Edit toggle can pause or resume student editing. When paused, editing tools disappear from student devices until it's re-enabled. Whole class whiteboard activities make it easy to turn any page into a shared space where all students can contribute ideas and collaborate together.